one of the side effects of chemotherapy is losing your hair. We're very happy to know that Salon Apple has tied up with us for their CSR, and they would like girls to donate their hair, and they would make wigs and donate it back to Prashanti Cancer Care Mission for the needy cancer patients.
मी एक कॅन्सर पेशंट सर्वायवर आहे. माझ्यासारख्या बऱ्याच पेशंट्सना आपले केस गमवावे लागतात या ट्रीटमेंट दरम्यान. तर ॲपल सलोन यांनी एक चांगला इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतला आहे. केस डोनेट करून पेशंट्सना त्याचे विग्स बनवून त्यांना फ्रीमध्ये केस मिळावेत हा कॉज त्यांनी चालू केलेला आहे. तर सर्वांनी ह्याला सपोर्ट करावं आणि आपले केस डोनेट करून पेशंट्सना हेल्प करावी.
आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी टू लर्न अबाउट दिस इनिशिएटिव्ह ऑफ सलॉन ॲपल, where they are collecting hair and requesting people to donate their hair.
I personally know how it feels when you're going through the cancer treatment and when you lose hair. I haven't used a wig because I couldn't get one, so I think this will be a really nice thing when patients get it for free. I really appreciate what they're doing by giving wigs to Prashanti Cancer Care Mission.
To get maximum number of smiles on the faces of such cancer patients who are suffering from cancer, I would request everybody to come and donate their hair for this cause so that we can make maximum wigs and donate it to Prashanti Cancer Mission.
In my family, my father was diagnosed with cancer, and I could immediately understand and identify with the pain that cancer patients go through. I therefore decided to come forward and donate my hair for this cause. I urge everyone to come and contribute wholeheartedly to this campaign. Let's make Salon Apple's Hair Today, Hope Tomorrow very successful.
And we are here and honored to be a part of this noble cause, which is
Hair Today, Hope Tomorrow. And we request you all to come forward and contribute
to make someone smile and look beautiful.
The girls in the city of Pune who need wigs and can't afford it, they would be able to have their hair back intact, their self-image, and they will be much more confident to go out and lead a normal life.
Hair today, hope tomorrow.
Hair today, hope tomorrow.
Hair today, hope tomorrow.
मी लातूरचे राहणार राजश्री राजेंद्र पुलकुर्ते. मला छातीत गाठ झाली होती डिसेंबरमध्ये 17मध्ये. मग नंतर आम्ही 1 वर्षाच्या नंतर इथं ट्रीटमेंटला आलो पुण्याला. ससूनमध्ये ऑपरेशन झाला. मग केस वगैरे गळाले. मग विगबद्दल इथं माहिती ऐकलं पार्लरचं, ॲपल सलूनबद्दल. मग माझ्या मुलाने याड बघून इथं घेऊन आलं. विग घेतलं. खूप आनंद वाटला. मॅडम खूप छान आहेत. परत स्टॉप पण खूप छान आहे. धन्यवाद.
Hi friends, I invite each one of you to come forward and donate hair at Salon Apple because they are supporting to all the cancer patients who are suffering and they lose hair during the chemotherapy and the treatment. You can donate hair, maybe you are blessed with a beautiful hair and you can donate your hair to all people who are suffering from cancer and bring smile on their face. You can bring confidence on their life. You can support this cause. So please, I request each one of you to come forward and support for this cause. Thank you so much.
Hi friends, recently I have been diagnosed with cancer and I have lost my long beautiful hair. It really hurted me a lot, and in this situation Salon Apple has given me a wig. I'm thankful to them and I would request everyone to please step forward and donate your hair for this cause. It is really helping all the patients in boosting their confidence and make them feel good.